What's up guys? In today's video, I will show you how to export Microsoft Copilot responses to a Word file. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Copilot in your browser or desktop app and open the conversation you want to save. Next, highlight the response you want to export. You can click and drag your mouse over the text, or press Ctrl A if you want to select the entire conversation. After that, copy the selected text by pressing Ctrl C, or right-click and choose Copy. Now, open Microsoft Word if you want a formatted document. Create a new document, then press Ctrl V to paste the Copilot response. If you're using Word, you can edit the formatting, add headings, or make any other changes before saving. Finally, click File, then Save As. Choose a location on your computer, enter a file name, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Microsoft Copilot response to a Word file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.